number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
Drone lighting for military and emergency response applications has been in the spotlight since the Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Since then, drone technology has continued to evolve rapidly, with its use expanding across both defence and major incident response scenarios. Now in 2026, drone lighting is becoming an increasingly valuable tool for illuminating critical areas quickly, safely and effectively. High-performance drone lighting solutions delivering 16,000 and 120,000 lumens. Coming soon from emergency vehicle products. Follow our website for the latest news.